Hello students, in the previous video we discussed the exercise up to question number 2. So now come to the question number 3. Pragya tested the solubility of 3 different substances at different temperature and collected the data as given below. Results are given in the following table as grams of substance dissolved in 100 gram of water, right? That means percent composition, ठीक है? Number of grams of solute dissolved in 100 grams of water to form a saturated solution. So in the first, potassium nitrate, second sodium chloride, third potassium chloride, then ammonium chloride. So now come to the question, what mass of potassium nitrate would be needed to produce a saturated solution of potassium nitrate in 50 grams of water, 313 Kelvin. So you go through 313 Kelvin, column 313 Kelvin. Then potassium nitrate, this means first one, it is given in 100 gram as per the statement. But we want 50, so just half, it is 31 gram, right? Now next, Pragya makes a saturated solution of potassium chloride. Come to the raw potassium chloride in water at 353 Kelvin. So come to the 353 Kelvin, last one column, and leaves the solution to cool at the room temperature. Room temperature matlab around 25 degrees Celsius, so it should be 313, ठीक है? What would be observed is the solution cools. So जैसे जैसे solution cool होगा तो क्या होगा, सोडियम पोटेशियम क्लोराइड गेट सेपरेट आउट. सो कितना सेपरेट आउट हो जाएगा, 54 minus 14, around 14 gram गेट सेपरेट आउट. Find the solubility of each salt at 293 Kelvin. Come to the 293 Kelvin. Which salt has the highest solubility? सबकी देखिए, पोटेशियम नाइट्रेट की 32/100 यानी 100 में कितना है 32, सोडियम क्लोराइड 36, पोटेशियम क्लोराइड 35, अमोनियम क्लोराइड 37. किसकी सबसे ज्यादा है? इट इज अमोनियम क्लोराइड इज हाईएस्ट. व्हाट वुड बी सॉल्यूशन एंड लीव दिस, सॉरी, फाइंड द सॉल्युबिलिटी ईच वन. 293. विच सॉल्ट हैज द हाईएस्ट सॉल्युबिलिटी एट दिस टेम्परेचर? This is ammonium chloride. What is the effect of change of temperature on the solubility of a salt? One by one सबको देखिए. पोटेशियम क्लोराइड 283 पे 21 था, 167 कंटिन्यूसली इंक्रीजेस. सोडियम क्लोराइड रिमेन ऑलमोस्ट कॉन्स्टेंट. टेम्परेचर चेंज करने पर सोडियम क्लोराइड में बहुत ज्यादा चेंज नहीं आ रहा है. 36, 36, 36, 37 एंड 37. पोटेशियम क्लोराइड में भी उतना चेंज नहीं है जितना पोटेशियम नाइट्रेट में, बट यस इट इज ऑल्सो इंक्रीजेस. अमोनियम क्लोराइड ऑल्सो इंक्रीजेस, बट सबसे ज्यादा चेंज आ रहा है पोटेशियम नाइट्रेट में टेम्परेचर के साथ सॉल्युबिलिटी में, राइट? ओके, नाउ कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Explain the following giving example. Saturated solution means no more salt can be dissolved in the given solution at the given temperature. That will be saturated solution. Pure substance, all particles are of same type. This is the pure substance, and that cannot be divided into simpler ones. So this is the pure colloid. These are the mixtures. The solute phase is known as disperse phase and solvent phase is known as dispersion medium. Uniform, but it is a heterogeneous mixture. Particle size, that is disperse phase around 1 micron and dispersion medium around 1 nanometer. Show Tyndall effect. So in this way you can define the colloid. Suspension, in the same way that you have to write the properties of suspension. First you write it is a mixture, it is a heterogeneous mixture, non-uniform, and give 2 more properties. Classify each one as a homogeneous or heterogeneous mixture. Soda water, homogeneous mixture. Solution, carbon dioxide and water. Wood, it is heterogeneous. Air, it is homogeneous. Soil, it is heterogeneous. Vinegar, homogeneous. And filter tea, it is also homogeneous mixture. How would you confirm that a colorless liquid given to you is a pure water? So water having pure water or pure substance having fixed melting point and boiling point. So you calculate or you identify with the help of experiment its freezing point and melting point. If it freezes at 0 degrees Celsius and boiling point is 100 degrees Celsius and ice melted at the 0 degrees Celsius, that means it is a pure water. Which of the following material fall in the category of pure substances? Ice, no, because this may be normal water. So ice can be or cannot be pure substance. If it is the distilled water ice, that will be the pure. Milk, impure. It is a mixture. Iron, pure. Hydrochloric acid, it is again mixture. HCl gas plus water, calcium oxide pure, mercury pure, brick is a mixture, wood mixture, air mixture. केवल आइस के केस में ऐसा है कि यू आर नॉट श्योर. अगर आइस डिस्टिल्ड वाटर का बनाया है आपने तो ये प्योर है, और अगर आपने आइस को नॉर्मल वाटर से बनाया है तो ये मिक्सचर है. आइडेंटिफाई द सॉल्यूशन अमंग द फॉलोइंग मिक्सचर्स. सॉइल इज नॉट सॉल्यूशन. सी वाटर मे और मे नॉट बी. इसमें भी दो तरह से इसको डिफाइन करते हैं. Salt plus water form the solution, but other germs and organic matter may present in the sea water that form the colloidal solution. Air, yes, it is the solution. Coal, it is not the solution. Soda water, yes, it is also solution. Which of the following will show Tyndall effect? Only colloids will show Tyndall effect. You know very well. Salt solution doesn't show. Milk, yes. Copper sulfate, no. Star solution, yes. Classify the following into element, compound and mixture. Sodium is element, soil is mixture, sugar solution is mixture, silver is element, calcium carbonate is compound, tin is element, its symbol is Sn, silicon is element, its symbol is Si, coal is mixture, air is mixture, soap, अगर आपने केमिकल सोप की बात कर रहे हैं तो दिस इज सोडियम पोटेशियम salt of higher fatty acid, so it is a compound. But if you are talking about the soap that you use at the home, it is mixture, because this chemical soap mix with medicines, color, fragrance, then your toilet soap will prepare. So this soap will be the compound. Methane, it is a compound. Carbon dioxide, compound, and blood is a mixture. So in this way you separate out them in element, compound and mixture. Now come to the next. Which of the following are chemical changes? Growth of a plant, chemical change. Rusting of iron, chemical change. Mixing of iron filling and sand, it is a physical change. Cooking of food, it is a chemical change. Digestion of food, chemical change. Freezing of water, it is a physical change. Burning of a candle, also it is a chemical change. There is a group activity. Take a earthen pot, some pebbles and sand add into this one. Design a small scale filtration plant that you use to clean muddy water. So it is a basically it is a filtration tank. इसके लिए हमें करना ये होता है, एक earthen pot लेते हैं, उसमें नीचे एक छेद कर देते हैं, ठीक है. उसके ऊपर हम जो हमारा कोई भी बहुत ही हल्का कपड़ा होता है उसको 4 फोल्ड करके नीचे रखिए आप. उसके बाद उसमें डिफरेंट लेयर्स लगाइए. फर्स्ट लेयर you spread sand, then pebbles, then charcoal and upper one फिर big pebbles, ठीक है. उसके ऊपर आप गंदा पानी भर दीजिए तो धीरे धीरे वो फिल्टर होकर नीचे जाएगा, और जो बीच में चारकोल लगाया है that will absorb all the types of impurities. So in this way you can purify the dirty water or muddy water. Thank you.